seeing
Let
online, right?
let
Like,
me
so
let
this
me
No,
finish.
whole
Saeed thinks you're talking from little
Why is everyone
Well,
Mogadishu, so
gushing
first
he's
of
on
all,
Muslim?
ignoring
Let
first
you.
of
him
all,
talk.
I am against genocide, and I started the first thing I started with. I don't condone what is happening to the Palestinians. I hope they have their own state. I'm against the violence that Israel is perpetrating. I'm clear on that. I'm not. I'm not hiding. I'm against what's happening to the Palestinians. I think it is a genocide, and I'm loud and clear. But Hodan and her ilk, they don't condone. They don't condemn the Isaac genocide. They're actually happy with it.
I do
Most of their.
condemn the
Well, first of all,
atrocities that were committed. I just said that. Don't put words into my
first of all,
mouth.
I'm against genocide. I said that. I'm
So
not. I'm
finally,
not
so finally, you answered the question. You are
exactly.
against
Well,
genocide. Thank you.
what,
See how easy that was?
what, what, well, I said I didn't hear the question, and that's why I said what was the question. It wasn't me dodging the question. Maybe that's what you think I was doing, but that's not what I was actually doing. I'm going to conclude with this. Somaliland
But
has the right.
Said, can I ask you a question if that's okay?
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
And guys, just if you could do me a favor, retweet the space. I can see a lot of people requesting now. We are going to try and get as many people up here as possible. We are trying to hear everybody's side on this as well. So and if you do want to come up and you think you've got something important to say, or you're like, you're part of some important organization or whatever, send me a message and I'm reading the messages and I'll bring you up. Say the question to you is about the point about, and I think your tweet kind of articulates the kind of concern that people have, because you basically said that even if the devil was to recognize Somaliland, and do you mean that, for example, you would do a deal with the devil for Somaliland, or do you mean that if the devil was to say, oh, I'm okay with Somaliland, that's irrelevant to you because for you it's about whether there should be a Somaliland? So is it the former or is it the latter? And then I've got another question once you answer that.
Well, first of all, that tweet is based on actually on a hadith from Abu Huraira, whether people like it or not, where the devil comes to, or Satan, whatever they call it, comes to Abu Huraira, he lies to him, he catches him, and then he releases him, and then he comes to the Prophet and he says,